Hello guys, good morning and welcome to another weekly update episode 69. So how are you guys doing? Last week I showed you most of the bag we started and you guys get to see the few bags, and this week we have a lot of bag we've worked on. Probably the one last week are not here, they are stored inside, but as you can see this week we have, here is one, we have two, we have three, we have four, we have five, we have six, we have seven, we have eight, we have nine, and we have 10 bags to show you guys. Apart from all this one you guys are used to seeing here, so we made some new bags. So probably it's not probably, definitely some among the bag we make this week are the design, previous design I show you, which is from last week, because some of them are exactly the same thing but slightly different with a different material, and some are new design. So very soon I'm going to turn the camera to show you guys so that you guys can see the bag I'm talking about and how beautiful they are. So let me appreciate those of you who just subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you. Thank you guys for subscribing, and for those of you who have been here since day one, we really appreciate you guys for being here. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, also remember to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video on this channel. Leave in the comment section below, once you watch this video to the end, give us a green heart to let us know that you watched this video to the end. I'm not even supposed to say this right now, I'm supposed to say it at the end of the video, so we'll know if you guys really watched this video to the end and you guys really appreciate this kind of video and you want us to keep making something like this and other tutorial on this channel. So enough talking, without no further ado, welcome you guys to this week, and I will show you what we have been doing so far in the shop. So come with me as I will show you the rest of the video. So guys, welcome back. You guys have seen a little bit of slow shots of the bags. So the last time I talked, I said I would turn the camera around to just show you guys the bags. So here are the bags. Right now I think I should start bringing them out one after the other, or maybe line them on the decks so that you guys can see it very well and see the design. This bag you guys are seeing, we've not make any tutorial yet, but I will try my best to start explaining them with the illustration, explaining each one of them, make a video. So once you guys watch, if you guys get it to be able to recreate the same design, we'll leave the tutorial there. But if some of you did not get it, then we go in details with the tutorial and make another one, because this particular bag you are seeing are for clients. So and sometimes if there is time, we make tutorial out of them, but this time around there's no much time for us to make tutorial out of them. But I will try my best from the illustration, and with the bag I will explain the process of you guys to cuts and the process of you guys you can use in making. And if you have been in this channel for a very long time or be on this channel, you should understand the way we make our bag. So me explaining some of this design or this bag for you, if you use the previous knowledge you have you gain on this channel, you should be able to create it and make something. And by the way, even the illustration I'm showing you guys can screenshot it to also check out the design. You can also make a modification and scale out your own design. So enough talking, let's go straight into showing you the bag and talk more about them. And here we have our bags. So right now, let's place the camera on tripod and see what we can make out of it. Sorry if it shakes, I'm just trying to place it on the tripod mount. So let's adjust it a little bit. So the first bag we'll be talking about, showing you, is this new bag. As you can see, this is a new design bag. You see it has a bottom and it is sewn. You guys may be wondering how we sew this. This will be explained in another video we'll be making, another tutorial video for this particular bag. And as you can see, it has a opening. The inside is well lined. All the work are well finished. As you can see, neat work. That is what you guys should always try to do. And it has a 1-inch long strap. This is a long strap. You can carry it as your handbag or even your shoulder bag. That's the red one. Then we have this, I would say this is nude. Please, you guys shouldn't cast me if I am not getting the color right. So this one is exactly the same thing as the first one I showed you. The same design, the same color, the same design but different pattern and color. Different pattern of material but the same design, the same pattern. As you guys can see, the inside is the same thing as the first one, with a strong magnetic snap to hold the cover, and the bottom are also the same thing with a 1-inch long strap. And this strap I think is 25 or 22 inch. So that's the two. Then the next one I will be showing you guys is this particular new design bag. Very long, and the way the hand is, you can flatten this hand and it will be flat this way. It has a side to put a long strap. As you can see, among some on the decks or on the sofa I show you, the strap is among there. We've made the strap or I've not put it. So it has this embellishment at the front to beautify the bag. So the hand, if you are using the long strap, you can decide to leave the hand down this way and you can use this hand to also carry it, as you can see. And this is the new gusset we are making. As I said in last week update, that this gusset we use it on all the bag except few we'll be showing in next week updates we are making. So the same magnetic snap, we use a very powerful industrial magnetic snap. As you can see, the inside well lined and beautiful. The inside is well lined, as you can see. It's as simple as the rest, with no inside pocket or any extra hidden pocket inside. And this is the third one. This is the fourth one, the same design as the one I show you. As you can see, this is the embellishment, a teddy bear, a handmade teddy bear. Simple, so simple for the bag. As you guys can see, I auto focus it so that you guys can see the beauty of the leather. So the bag is not well finished, it's not finished yet because we haven't burned all the excess threads which we cut on the bag. So the same design as this particular one I show you. So let me know in the comment section, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer this one? Do you prefer this one or this one here? Let me know in the comment section down below. So, and as you can see, it has a back fit just like I talked about in last week, and all this one are silver back fits. This we get another back fit for this particular ones. So those are the two. Then here's this flower material, a stock flower material. just like the same design as the one I showed you last week. Those flower bag is the same design with this particular one, so there's no different. As you can see the inside, but this handle is a little bit different. There's this stuff we make inside of the hand, as you guys can see. I don't know if you can see it clearly. I think you guys are seeing it clearly now. So as you can see, instead of us to put it from the outside, we put it from the inside just to beautify the bag. So, and it has a well industrial strong magnetic snap, then with a side for you to pull. And by the way, from the video we make last week, you know, some of our bag, this particular side is sewn outside, but this is a way of you doing it again. You can sew it on top of the material, you can put it from inside like this. And from the one we showed you last week, if you can remember, from the black bag, one of the black bag is fixed this way, then sew outside. Then this one we use rivet, and the rivet is not showing inside. As you can see, you have no place to see the rivet inside, because I will do that before we cover it with the lining. So lining has protect all the rough work and make our work very neat. And as you can see, this design is different because it's a flat cover, just like the one I showed you last week. Then we have this this design again. It has a design cover shape at the top for it to beautify the bag, as you can see. And the material is a well organized and good texture material with a shade of, I think, silver with some ash color and some off-white. The way you carry the bag, we review some color of it. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. You see the way it's shining. So on this material, on this particular bag, we use a what is it called, gold accessories to finish all the bag. So as you can see, the inside is well lined. This one I explained to you guys is also, we use a buckle with, we hide it from the inside for you to not to see the rough work. And this is the cover. Then the top again, you see the handle is the design we make. Those one, the flower one I show you, we turn it inside, but this one is outside, and the hand is well strong for you to be able to carry heavy stuff or stone. So this one I just show you, you see this green I'm about to show you now. This green, the orange there, the purple there, and the yellow beside it. I know you are not seeing the yellow from the camera. Let me show you. And the yellow you can see there are all of the same design. So just like this particular green, they are of the same design, as you can see. Do I even need to show you everything again now? So you see the way we stitch the gusset. First, you stitch the gusset from outside here to beautify your work, and as you can see, all neat work. So that's all the bag, and all these, I think 1 2 3 4 and these 5 are all gold accessories, as you can see from the side, not silver accessory. The back feet are also gold accessories. So those are the bag for you. I think if I should keep showing you the rest of the video, the rest of the bag, the video would be longer than expected. So from this particular one you guys have seen, you see the new design bag we make. So the strap, we'll be putting the strap later. I think maybe in next 2 weeks video we'll be finishing the bag. So then we want to deliver it. I'm going to make a delivery video as well, not here. We are sending it to a very, very far place, another state. So probably when it gets there, the owner decides to send us a video of collecting it. If not, when we package, we just make a video of that, or if it's the time we are making a weekly update, we just include that. So guys, enough talking, and I think probably we'll be ending the video here, but expect new video on this channel as well, as we have tons of material to work with, and we shall proceed with the making of our Rex activity in the shop with the video we'll be making. So guys, thank you guys for those of you who have watched this video to this level. As I said in the beginning of the video, okay, now if you want us to know that you really watched this video to the end, give us a yellow heart. You know, at the beginning I say a green heart, so for me to know you watch this video to this level, give us a yellow heart in the comment section down below. And don't forget to give this video a giant thumbs up. Leave in the comment section down below anything you think on this particular video. If you have an idea you think we should do, or you have a new bag design you want us to try on this channel, feel free to send it to me and I will show you guys how to make it on this channel. And by the way, let me use this time to also remind you guys that our online training is still open to all individuals from different nations of the world or different countries of the world and different backgrounds. We try our best to break it down to your level for you to understand, and we give our tutorial training in details compared to the way we make on YouTube here. It goes beyond that on the training tutorial. So guys, enough talking. Don't forget the physical one is also available if you are in Abuja, if you are in Niger State, very close to our production studio. So guys,